There's no
You
tint.
don't have tint. Okay.
You just threatened to pull me out of the car. You realize you violated my rights. You're harassing me.
You anything.
You did. You said we can pull you out of the car.
The last thing I want to do is arrest you. Now, I don't want to do anything.
Arrest me for what? What did I do that's illegal?
I want nothing to do with you.
If I don't give you ID, will you arrest me?
I had told her before with the landlord and everything. I don't care what she does to get out. Get a tow truck and move it over.
You want her to hit your truck?
Bye-bye. I'm not moving. No, I don't. I'm not moving.
So it's actually fraud if you don't move your vehicle, because then you're asking her to hit your vehicle because you don't want to move it. Is that the route you want to go?
Yeah.
Welcome to Mr. White, the place where real encounters between law enforcement and the people unfold before your eyes. In just a few minutes on a late afternoon in Mullica Township, New Jersey, a place with hundreds of civil complaints filed every year, two officers accused of abuse of power confronted a citizen legally parked, threatening to pull him out of his car over an unfounded suspicion of illegal window tint. The tension exploded right in the middle of an American street. Meanwhile, in Shipshewana, Indiana, a small town with fewer than 1,000 residents but a hot spot for parking disputes, a citizen refused to move his vehicle, forcing the police to face a larger question. Where is the line between authority and overreach in a civil matter? Two stories, two locations, one message about civil rights, resistance, and the power of legal knowledge. Original videos from LAC Audit and AJ News Now. Check them out to watch the full, unedited scenes. Don't forget to subscribe to Mr. White for more intense real-world encounters about ID refusal and civil liberties. And if you think this was a legendary response, drop a what in the comments below.
Hey, sir, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Hey, pretty good. We just got a call that you were out here. You've been out here for a little bit. You just hanging out, or what's going on?
Just minding my business.
Just minding my business?
Yep.
Just hanging out?
Yeah, not illegal, right?
Nah, everything good then?
Everything's perfect.
You need anything from us?
Nope.
Okay.
Jeez, that's... Oh, fucking... You fucking harass me? That's what it's saying. Mm-hmm. There we are. Right. reason. Yes. You think?
We're recording too, bruh.
I'm okay with that.
How are you, my man?
Yeah, what's up, man?
We just got a call, man. We're just seeing what's going on.
Am I
Parked
doing
out in
it?
front of people's houses
I wasn't in front of anyone's house.
for 3 hours. That's what the call. Look, I'm just going off what they're telling us. You know what I'm saying?
Is it illegal to park on the side of a public street?
It's not, but people are just concerned.
Yeah, but it's not illegal.
I didn't say it was illegal. But
So
what is
then-
illegal is the tint that you got on your car.
What tint?
The tint.
I don't have any tint in this
What's the
car.
purpose of recording?
I don't have any tint. What do you mean, what's the purpose?
We're recording.
Are
We're
you
just checking on your
are you a
status, bro.
public official?
Of course I am.
So then do I have a First Amendment right to
Not sure.
record you in the course of your duty?
Not sure, but are you
Can,
worried?
name and badge number, please?
Are you worried for your safety?
Of course. I got you
Why?
two guys harassing
I'm
me.
just checking on your status, bro.
I saw when you made that U-turn. You think I'm going to let you guys fabricate some sort of moving violation when I'm there? I'm not smarter than that, man. Trust me. I never let that happen. You never get the upper hand on me. I'm not breaking the law.
Okay.
Can you name and badge number?
It's right here, bro.
How do you spell that? How do you pronounce
You can
that?
see it on the thing.
How do
Right
you,
here, see?
how do you pronounce it?
Put it right there.
I don't know how to pronounce it. I can't read.
Shipshewana. I do nothing
Badge
to you.
number?
245.
Oh, you, sir?
Right here.
How do you pronounce
252 is
that?
badge number.
I don't know how to read, sir.
You don't know how to pronounce walk? W-A-L-K?
Oh, that's what it says?
Okay.
I didn't know that, man. Thanks,
Yeah.
thanks for pronouncing it for me.
Sure.
Yep.
You also don't have your seatbelt on. Do you have an ID on
I
you?
parked. I'm parked. I don't have to have my
Alright, you got your
seatbelt on when I'm
tint. Do you
parked.
have an ID on you, sir?
For what?
I just need to see your ID.
Nope.
Yeah, you got
Nope.
tint, and we saw you driving.
I don't
operating
have any
vehicle.
tint.
All right, we can pull you out of the vehicle if you want.
You want to pull me out for what tint? What tint? Show me the tints. Show me the
Get back
tints.
here.
That is legal in New
Maybe
Jersey.
in New Jersey. Okay, you're good. on the
That is
tint. Okay,
legal.
you got me on the
You
tint.
just
That's
threatened to
That's
pull me
good.
out my car?
You're good.
Wait, you just
I'm
threatened to
asking
pull me
you
out of my
step out.
car?
I'm just asking you to step out.
No. For what? This is not a traffic stop.
Listen, okay, your tint's legal. That's fine. I didn't see.
I
the
didn't
front.
have any tints.
That's fine. The tint is legal on the front. That's fine.
I don't have any tints.
Okay,
You can't send me
I'm saying
tints legal when
it's
there's no
legal. You don't
tints.
have tint. Okay.
You just
That's fine.
threatened to pull me out of the car. You
I
realize
didn't
you're violating
say-
my rights. You're
I didn't
harassing
threaten
me.
you anything.
You did. You
No.
said we can pull you out of the car.
Well, if
And
you're
you're
not
trying to
gonna- why are
violate
you
my
not
Fourth
complying?
Amendment right by telling me to ID.
Do you have anything? What is
Okay.
the problem?
You were the problem. Why are you harassing me? What am I doing that's wrong?
What are you sitting out here for 3 hours for? We're just
Is
asking.
that illegal? Do I have to
Look,
answer people
Look,
and
we're
tell
not
them
tr-
why
we're
I'm
not trying to-
sitting?
Listen.
We're
I
not
don't
trying to
like
get-
this
we're not-
guy's approach. He
I-
just
what you think-
telling me he's going
listen
to
to
pull
me.
me
Though.
out
We're
of
not
the
trying
car.
to do. All I'm saying is, if you could just let us know why you're out here, we'll leave
If
you
you
alone.
think-
If you're
The
doing,
last thing I
you know
want
what
to
I'm
do.
saying?
The last thing I want to do is arrest you. Now, I don't want to do anything.
Arrest
with
me
you.
for
I don't
what?
want
What
anything
did
to
I
with
do
you.
that's illegal?
I want nothing to do with you.
If I don't give you ID, will you arrest me?
No.
If
not
I
gonna-
don't
listen,
answer any
You can sit
questions,
here-
will you
listen,
arrest
can-
me?
Listen, you can sit here. I'm not going to do this. You can record all you want. I'm not going to do anything. You can sit here all you want. All right. You can sit here all you want. That's fine.
Well, listen, please
Completely
don't
right,
harass
alright?
me, okay? Because
I'm not
anything
harassing you. We're not
further
leaving.
is
We're not leaving,
harassment.
Okay. Have a good night, sir.
All right, and I'll definitely file a lawsuit. You guys have a card number? Nah. Threatened to pull me out of the car. $379 PMG. $379 PMG. So, is there a reason why you don't feel safe with me stepping there?
I don't know what you have on you.
No weapons, none.
Okay, well, I don't know that.
Okay, no, I'm letting you know.
Yep.
Okay. Do you guys have a FOIA request also?
A what?
Public records request. Oprah.
Oprah?
Yes.
You have to get it in the
Records?
Yeah, and they're closed till
Okay.
Monday.
Till Monday? No problem. Thank you. Where do I submit this? Do I have to bring it back here?
I believe you could probably submit it online.
Okay.
I can write down an email address for you, or you can look it up online.
You know what? I'll bring it back.
Okay.
Shit, what was I gonna ask you? Do you want to see the video? Are you interested in seeing the video?
That's for IA.
Huh?
That's for IA.
Just your internal affairs?
Yeah.
Okay. And who's in internal affairs? Who can I come and speak with when I drop this off?
Sergeant O'Hara.
Sergeant O'Hara?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I be guaranteed I'm not going to be harassed when I leave this township? Because I'm going to leave here legally, drive legally. I don't want to be harassed by C-Walk or Restucio. Because that's harassment. I'm not doing anything illegal. I haven't done anything illegal from the start.
Okay.
So I don't want to be harassed. I just want to be left alone to go.
Sure. As long as you're abiding by the rules, yeah, no problems.
I don't want him to... Okay, good. I'll be recording this. Thank you.
When police approach without valid cause, you have every right to refuse to show ID and record the interaction to protect yourself. The first video clearly demonstrates the power of knowing your rights and staying calm under pressure. The takeaway is simple: know your rights, never fear asking questions, and always document the situation. If you thought that was intense, stay tuned for a parking dispute that quickly turns into a legal standoff full of unexpected twists.
Okay, this is what she claims. This is where I live. This is where I live. And this apartment right here, that's my door. This is my boat. This is my truck. And this is where she lives. She lives in that door, and look how she parked. I can't get in and out my vehicle with her being parked like that. I didn't hit her. She says I hit her. I'm just like that. My door handle didn't hit her. If our door handle would have hit her, other things, my mirror would have hit her. Okay? So I didn't hit her. And this officer right here is claiming I hit her.
Now you're just putting words in my mouth.
No, you just told me I did. I was involved in an accident.
You gotta record me. Be correct about it, please.
Okay.
So, is this your truck?
I didn't answer questions.
Okay, so it's your truck.
So see, you're
So
assuming.
We're gonna need you to move.
No, I'm not moving. I ain't moving. I'm not moving. I'm not moving.
My guy, look.
I'm not moving.
Look.
We went through this before. I'm not moving. I had told her before with the landlord and everything. I don't care what she does to get out. Get a tow truck and move it over.
You want her to hit your truck?
Bye-bye. I'm not
You're gonna
moving. No, I don't. I'm not moving.
Why?
Because.
Why are you being like this?
Because we went through this before, sir.
Hey.
She'd done this before. We went through the landlord. No, don't hold on me. I'm talking. We went through the landlord before this, and we had discussed this before. And now it's my turn. I am not moving because we had went. She told me I got to park over there. So why do I have to move?
She told me she parked here just for a second to take her trash. When you got here, she said she got on the window, told you to hold on. She was going to.
I didn't see her at the window. She did. I didn't see her.
But she was trying to move her car. She was.
But she knew better to park there. She knows I come home from work.
She was just here for a second.
All right, I'm not
Can you
moving.
please
Bye-bye.
move
Nope,
the truck?
nope.
So what happens when she hits it?
Well, then it'd be her fault.
Oh, so that's weird. So
That's
now-
it. No, that's not weird. That'd be her fault.
Okay.
Sorry, but I'm parked. I'm parked.
So it's actually fraud if you don't move your vehicle, because then you're asking her to hit your vehicle because you don't want to move it. Is that the route you want to go?
Yeah. Yep. Do it.
Can I say something? This might maybe help.
Stay out of it. Stay out of it. Go over there and stay out of it.
Yeah, okay.
Go.
Well, I'm
Go.
going
Go.
this way.
All right.
I'm going
Go.
this way. Okay. Marie sent me when she lives here. You may want to go after her.
Move.
Marie told me to say something about it. You know, you situation, but you can ask her. I'm from North Carolina.
I'm not moving. I'm not moving. She can get a tow truck, move it over, because, sir,
Why are you going to be like that?
because I'm telling you what, I'm tired of it. Because it continues to happen. It continues to happen. Maybe if she has to pay to somebody to move that vehicle, it won't happen again.
No, that's not how this works.
It will today.
You are stopping her from leaving.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. She cannot.
She got all the room. She wants to get over that way.
Okay, so
Look at this,
she
guys.
turns right. She's going to back.
Look at this guy.
She
Look at
turns
this. She
right.
thinks she can't. She got all that room to turn around right over there.
Good. How's she
Look
going
at
to back
it.
up? If you don't move.
She can turn and go forward. Go up over the curb if she
Why
needs
can't
to.
You just be simple. Put your mirror in, back up so she can leave, and we don't have to have this issue.
Because we went
This
through
is not
the-
an issue that has to do with me. This is a
Okay, why don't you get in your car and leave then?
Because I have to do a report. She
Okay,
wants
do a report
I
then.
will, but I need your information.
You're not getting my information because I didn't hit her.
Hey,
I didn't hit her.
my guy, I don't think you understand how this works.
I didn't
send it-
hit her.
Okay, will you let me explain how it works? I think I've done it already. I'll send it to the report. If I will say, you said you didn't hit her. She's saying you hit her. The insurances will battle it out. If they find you're not at fault, then nothing happens.
Okay, I'm parked at home. I'm at home. I come home and I park. She is in my parking spot. She's in my parking spot. You can tell I have no room to get out of my truck.
Okay, so
We
how's
went
the-
through this
how's
before.
the parking spots work?
What's your name and badge number anyway? What's your name?
My name's Officer Bergman.
What's your number?
6.
Thank you. But you know what? No, I'm not going through that. I'm not. Okay.
So where do you guys draw the lines at? So is there a legitimate line that says where your parking spot
Right
is?
here is my parking spot. Right here. Right here. The edge of my truck should be right here.
Okay. So if you were to move your boat over, you'd have more room to park.
My boat, sir, if you want to stand here and argue with me, my boat is on the pavement, just like it's supposed to be.
Hold on. You guys get 2-car parking spots?
That's right.
Okay, that makes sense then.
All right, now I'm done.
Okay, I still need you to move your truck.
Nope.
Thank you for watching until the very end. We just witnessed two seemingly ordinary situations that sharply revealed the boundary between civil rights and police overreach. In Mullica Township, a region with over 300 civil complaints in the past 5 years, an informed citizen forced 2 officers to back off when they failed to present a lawful reason for an ID request. Meanwhile, in the small town of Shipshewana, home to fewer than 1,000 residents, yet frequently plagued by parking disputes, one man's refusal to move his car pushed police to return to their proper intermediary role in civil matters. The common thread is clear: stay calm, know your rights, and never act out of emotion. If you ever find yourself in a similar situation, remember this: no one can legally demand your ID without proper cause. Stay composed, record everything, ask for officer names and badge numbers, and if necessary, file an internal complaint. Mr. White will continue to bring you dramatic, real-world legal encounters with powerful lessons. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. And if you think these citizens handled things the right way, drop a W in the comments below.